Hello everyone, I am Amandeep here. In the previous videos we have learned about Excel, how to create and save the workbook in Excel. In this video we are going to discuss the working on data in sheets. First of all, how to select the cells. For example, I want to select the cell which have text total. Then I click on that cell. Like this, I can select the cell. And if I want to select the row, just click on the row heading which I want to select. For example, I want to select the 6th row. Then click on the 6th row heading. Now you can see the whole row is selected. Now how to select the column. If I want to select the column name D, click on the column heading. Move the cursor to the D and click. You can see now the whole column is selected. Now if I want to select the group of cells, then place your mouse pointer over the first cell which you want to select and click and drag the mouse. You can see the area is highlighted, and this is how you can select the group of cells. The next is editing data in worksheet. Now if I want to edit the English marks of Sanjay, then double click on the cell and edit the marks. Now you can see how to edit the data. Now deleting data. How to delete the data? Just select a cell which you want to delete the data and press the delete button from the keyboard. Then it will remove. Now undo changes. Excel remembers the last change that you have made to the worksheet, and if you do not want to make these changes, you can cancel them using the undo feature. For example, now I recently removed the cell with the text total, and if I want that text again, then I use undo option, that is in the title bar, and I can also use the Ctrl+Z key for undo. When I click, you can see the text I removed is back on the cell. The next is moving and copying data. And if I want to move the cell, use cut and paste. We can also use the shortcut key of cut, that is Ctrl+X, and the shortcut key of paste, that is Ctrl+V. So when I want to move the text, just select the text and use cut option, and now where I want to place the text, click on the cell and paste it. This is how you can move from one cell to another cell. And how to copy the cell? To copy the cell, we use copy and paste. First select the cell and click on the copy option. You can also use Ctrl+C key. Click on the copy, and where you want to paste, click on the cell and paste it. Now you can see both cells contain the text total. So this is how we can copy the text of the cell. Changing column width. So we can also change the column. How we can change this? Look at the computer. You can't see complete letters of computer here. And if I want to increase the width of this column, just go to the column heading and place the mouse pointer at the right edge of that column. Like this, if I want to increase the width of F, then the right side of F, you can see the mouse pointer change the icon, and now drag it. You can see the width of the column is increased. Similarly, you can change the row. Just click on the row and drag the mouse pointer. You can see the row height is increased. So inserting row. How to insert row? If I want to add a student name at the 7th position of row, then select the row and click on the home tab and click on the insert arrow and then select insert sheet row. Now the row is inserted. Similarly, if you want to insert the column, where you want to insert the column, select that column and click on the insert arrow and then click on the insert sheet column. Now the column is inserted. And if you want to enter the data in the middle of the cells, then the surrounding cell move to make room for the new cell. You can remove the cell that you no longer need also. How to add cell between the data? Just click at the middle of the text where you want to add text and click the insert arrow and insert cell. Now it will ask you how to shift the cell right or to shift cell down, or to entire row or to entire column. No, we want to insert only single cell, so we can use first two options. Shift cell down. Okay, the cells are shifted at the down position. And if I use shift cell right, the cells shifted to the right side. Now how to remove the row? Click on the row you want to remove and click on the home tab and delete arrow and then delete sheet rows. Now the row is deleted. And similarly, if you want to delete the column, select the column, then click on the home tab, then delete arrow, then delete sheet column. Now the column is deleted. The next is generating a series. So how to generate series? Just click in the one cell and insert data 1, and in the next cell insert 2. Now select both the cells and place the mouse pointer at the corner edge of the cells. Now drag the mouse. You can see the series is generating automatically. Now if I want to generate the text series, just add January. To generate series of month, just add January, first month or any month, and select that cell and drag. Now you can see all the months, and if I the day in the week, now select this day and drag it. Now it generates the series of days of week. Now the next is formatting worksheet. Now how to change the font of the data? So let's see. The progress report, select this cell and go to the home tab. In the font group, select the font arrow, and now you can change the font of the cell. Look at the back side, progress changes their style. Click on which you want and the font is changed. Now how to change the font size? Just click on the home tab and click on the font size arrow, and here is the list of different sizes available. You can select anyone you want. This is how you can change the size of the text. Now how to center the data across the columns. Now if I want the heading progress report, will go in the center, and then select these all cells and click on the in the alignment group, click on the merge and center option, and you can see those cells merge into one and the progress report alignment changing to center. Now if you want to make the text bold, italic and underline, just select the text and click in the bold icon in the font group. You can see the name, change its text bold and English. When I use italic, the text will change in italic, and when I use underline, the text will underlined. Now the next is changing the alignment of data. Now select the data and click on these options in the alignment group: top, middle, bottom, left, right and center. You can change the alignments of the text from here. Like left, the text will set it in the left side, center, text in the center, and if I use right, the text will convert it to the right side. And how to work these options: top, middle and bottom. Like this you can change the alignment of the data. Now how to change the color of the cell? Like if I want to change the color of the cell which included text progress bar, select this text or select this cell and then go to in the font group icon, font group, and select fill color option. Select any one of the color you want. Now you can see the color of the cell is changed. Now if I want to change the text color, then select the cell and go to the font group and click on the font color arrow. This color is used in the text. Then select the color, the text color is changed. Now adding border, just select the cells that you want to format and go in the font group, click on this bottom border, click on this border arrow, and now here is the list of options available. You can select, if I select all border, all cells immediately assign a borders. Now adding conditional formatting. To add conditional formatting, first of all I need to select the marks of computer. Then click on the home tab and select this conditional formatting option. Click on this arrow. Now you can highlight the cells according to the rules: greater than, less than, between, top and bottom. Data bars, you can add data bars also. You can add colors according to the marks. You can also set the icons. Now in the first option, if I click on the highlight cell and greater than, and the marks that is greater than 60 with color yellow with dark yellow text. Now you can see the marks above 60 is formatted with the yellow color. Similarly, if I select the science marks and click on the formatting, highlight cell rules less than, when I select less than 70 marks, change with the color green, fill with dark text color. The marks below 70 change with the text color and the cell color. Similarly, you can add data bars. You can color the cells according to the marks. It is automatically selected the colors. You can add the icons. This is how you can add the conditional formatting in the text. And if I want to remove this conditional formatting, then select the cells that you want to remove the conditional formatting and click on the conditional formatting in the home tab. Then click on the clear rules from selected cells, and all the conditional formatting is removed now.